Good day, everyone. Learn how to change notification for each app. So if you want to disable, you get a lot of notifications, which is really very annoying, and you want to stop and you want some of the notifications, you can do it on your own in any Android phone. So to go to the settings, and once you're here in the settings, you will find notification. By any chance, if you do not find notification, you can always search and type notification and you will be able to find it. Once you find it, click on that, and then you will find a lot of options: pop up style, hide content while logged, and the very first one will say app notification, change notification setting for each app. So I will click on that, and we will have a list of apps on which whether we want the notifications or not. So you can see I have disabled notification for many apps, and I only use the notification from very few apps. So you can also try spend few minutes on it, and once you're done, you will have a complete peace of mind because you won't be getting a lot of notifications in your phone just to check what exactly it is. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.